In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to turn on announce calls feature on an iPhone. Let's get started. This feature allows your iPhone to announce who is calling either by the contact name or the number of the caller, so you always know who's on the line without looking at the phone. To enable this feature, launch settings, scroll all the way down and navigate to the option apps. From the list of apps, find phone and launch it. Now click on the option announce calls. By default, this is set to headphones only, which means calls will only be announced when you are connected to headphones like AirPods or other Bluetooth headphones. You can change it to headphones and car, which allows calls to be announced when connected to headphones or a car system. Finally, you can choose always, which will announce calls at all times, whether you are using headphones in a car or just holding your phone. This way, you will hear the caller's name or number every time someone calls. That's it. This is how you can easily enable announce calls on iPhone. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.